Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's title is How to Order Food at a Restaurant in English. In this video, you will follow a natural conversation between two friends, Ellie and Ken. And I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. This will help you focus more, and it will help you understand the story better. Here is the question. How do you place your knife and fork to say, "I'm finished"? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can practice output and improve your English more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
I'm really hungry. We've been walking for a long time.
Yeah, me too. I didn't eat much this morning.
Oh, look over there. That restaurant looks nice.
It does look good, but ordering in English is a little scary for me.
That's okay. You don't have to worry.
I'm afraid I might say something strange.
It's totally fine. People are very kind at restaurants.
Really?
Yes, and I'll be right next to you. We can order together.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Great. Let's keep it simple. Just easy words.
All right, I want to try.
Nice. This is a perfect chance to practice English.
By the way, this looks like a French restaurant.
Oh, good point. Yes, it does.
I heard that table manners are important in French restaurants.
That's true. There is a small but useful rule about forks and knives.
Really? What is it?
When you are still eating, you put your fork and knife like this, in a small V shape.
Oh, so that means I'm not finished yet.
Exactly. And when you finish your meal, you put them together, side by side.
That means thank you for the meal, right?
Yes, it's a polite and quiet way to say it.
Wow, that's interesting. I didn't know that.
You don't have to worry too much, but it's nice to know.
I feel a little more confident now.
Perfect timing then. Let's eat here.
Okay, let's go inside.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant.
Hello.
How many people?
2, please.
Sure. This way, please.
Thank you.
You can sit here.
Oh, this place is nice.
Here are the menus.
Thank you.
I will be back in a moment.
Okay.
All right, let's look at the menu together.
Wow, there are many choices.
Yeah, take your time. There is no rush.
This word here, I don't understand it.
Which one?
This one. What is this?
It's a kind of meat dish. It's very popular here.
Oh, I see. It sounds good.
If you're not sure, you can ask the staff.
Really? What can I say?
You can say, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend?
Perfect pronunciation.
Ha, thanks. That makes me happy.
You can also say, "Is this popular?"
Is this popular?
Yes, that's very natural.
I like chicken, so I want something with chicken.
Then this one might be good for you.
It looks good, but is it spicy?
Good question. You can ask, "Is this spicy?"
Is this spicy?
Great, you're ready to order.
I think so. I feel more confident now.
Nice. Let's order when the staff comes back.
By the way, I have a question.
Sure. What is it?
I often hear about red wine and white wine.
Yeah, those are the two main kinds.
Which one goes well with food?
There is a very simple idea.
Really?
Many people say red wine goes well with meat.
Okay,
And white wine.
White wine often goes well with fish.
Why is that?
Red wine has a stronger taste, so it matches strong flavors like meat.
I see.
White wine is lighter, so it's good with fish and light dishes.
That makes sense.
But this is just a general idea.
So I don't have to follow it?
Exactly. You can choose what you like.
And I don't have to drink wine at all, right?
Of course, you never have to drink wine.
That makes me feel relaxed.
The most important thing is to enjoy the meal.
I like that idea.
Hello again. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'd like the chicken dish, please.
Sure. Would you like rice or bread?
Rice, please. Can I have some water, please?
Of course. Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Okay, and for you? I'll have the fish, please. Great choice. All right, is there anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Thank you. I'll bring your food soon.
You did it.
Yeah, I ordered in English.
You sounded very natural.
Really? I was nervous, but it was okay.
See? Simple words are enough.
I feel proud of myself.
You should. Let's enjoy the meal now.
Here is your water.
Thank you very much.
Here are your dishes.
Wow, it looks amazing.
It looks great.
By the way, there are many forks and knives.
Yeah, in Western meals, you usually start from the outside.
From the outside?
Yes, the outside ones are for the first dish.
Oh, so you move inside as the meal goes on.
Exactly. That's why they put many forks and knives.
That makes sense.
But don't worry too much. If you're not sure, just copy other people.
That's good advice.
Most people don't mind at all.
Yeah, let's start eating.
All right, enjoy your meal.
Wow, this is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
The chicken is very soft.
Yeah, and the sauce is really nice.
I'm happy we came here.
Me too. This was a good choice.
By the way, menus can be confusing sometimes.
That's true, but there are some helpful tips.
Like what?
If you see daily special, it means today's special dish.
Oh, so it's special just for today.
Exactly. It's often very fresh.
That's good to know.
Also, some menus have set menus or course menus.
Set menu means food comes together, right?
Yes, you usually get a main dish and a side.
That sounds easy to choose.
And if you see pictures on the menu, use them.
Yeah, pictures help a lot.
If you're not sure, you can always ask.
Like, what is this? Or, what do you recommend?
Exactly. Those are perfect questions.
I feel much less scared now.
That's great. You're learning step by step.
And the food makes everything better.
That's very true.
I want to enjoy the rest of this meal.
Me too. Let's take our time.
I'm full now. That was really good.
Me too. I really enjoyed the meal.
I think it's time to pay.
Okay, you can ask for the check.
All right.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Could we get the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here is your check.
Thank you. Excuse me, can we pay here?
Yes, you can pay here.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, that's fine.
Great.
Please insert your card here.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That was a really nice meal.
Yeah, I'm glad we came here.
And I ordered, asked questions, and paid in English.
You did all of it yourself.
I couldn't believe it at first.
But you stayed calm and used simple English.
Yeah, Simple English really works.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English.
Just clear words and a polite tone.
And a smile.
Ha, right. I won't forget that.
How do you feel now?
I feel confident.
That's great.
Next time, I want to try a restaurant alone.
I think you can do it.
Thanks for helping me today.
Anytime. Learning is easier when you enjoy it.
Yeah, today was fun.
Let's try another place next time.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story and learned useful English for restaurants. Now, let me ask the question again. How do you place your knife and fork to say, "I'm finished"? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even short English is perfectly fine. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your listening and speaking skills step by step. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but helpful tips for daily life and travel. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. It really supports this channel and makes me very happy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye for now.